Hello, hi everyone. Selamat malam. How's everyone doing? Selamat malam, saya selamat petang, right? Yeah, selamat petang semua. How's everyone? Dah sempat makan tak? You guys managed to eat, by the way? Sila makan kan? Have something for yourself. Yeah, how's your puasa so far, everyone? Yeah, hari ni hari berapa kita pas hari kedua lah. Literally, it's the second day of our Ramadan, kan? So far was it? So far? Okay ke? So you guys cuti sekolah, so mungkin I tak rasa sangat lah. Tapi the moment you had your school, then I rasa,
Ramadan teacher.
yeah, hello, hi. The moment you start your school, mungkin you akan start rasa penat. Tapi sekarang ni sebab
Saya cuti seminggu.
cuti lah. Semua orang cuti. Everyone is having a break now, okay? Tapi sebab belum sekolah lagi. Tapi once semua you start school, dan mungkin akan terasa dah sikit kepenatan. Okay, kita akan sambung balik. Sekejap. Kita stop dekat. Siapa apa itu? Excuse me. Saya berhenti dekat muka surat. All right, this one, everyone. Yep. There you go. See that? Okay, kita stop somewhere. Done. Kita nak go through the next one. Ni pun done. Done. Kan dah. Oh yeah, kita left with the last two part. Kan? Betul tak? This one. Betul tak? Everyone. Right? Yep. The last with page 21, right? Yeah, I think we stopped. Page 21 dah. We come the last two part over here. Rasa masih kita belum ni ke kita dah discuss ke? How many of you still remember? Where are we? If I'm not mistaken, kita ada lagi dua ni. Yeah, I give this one as a homework. Thank you so much, Mashita, because remember, Mashita ingat. So, Mashita buat tak work?
Saya tak datang kelas
Yeah.
kelas selesa.
So, it's okay. So, sekarang ni kita akan sambung balik. Kita akan tengok balik macam mana kita nak cuba selesaikan. We are going to solve this issue, especially on these questions. Berkenaan pemfaktoran. Kita masih dekat topik pemfaktoran. It says the same thing, benda pemfaktoran. But it says that we have a few methods yang everyone should aware or should know how is it all about berkenaan ini. Okay, so dari sini, what do we have from here? Kita tengok. Kita ada x, y. We have minus x, z minus y squared plus y, z. Alright, so that's how it works. Okay, so sekarang ini kita nak cuba selesaikan. So macam ni kita nak selesaikan or for us to solve these issues. Ini bermaksud kita kena faktorkan which one? Apa yang kita boleh keluarkan dari sini? What we can actually remove it. So first we can remove the x. Kita boleh removekan x dalam kurungan. Nampak dari sini kita faktorkan x sahaja. So kita akan jadikan x in bracket y tolak z. Nampak tak kita faktorkan dia x dengan x. Kita dah keluarkan x. Everyone, siapa yang join my class on Tuesday, kita dah bincangkan sama-sama macam mana kita nak faktorkan.
Teacher, start dari soalan mana sebab saya tak tahu lagi.
Soalan 21, page 21. Page 21. So sekarang
saya tak print.
From the same book, from the same. Saya rasa masih sama, masih dekat dalam faktor yang sama. So kita sekarang dekat bawah ni. We are here, okay? So sekarang kita nak faktorkan ia, kita nak jadikan ia dalam bentuk apa? Ingat, kita mesti jadikan ia dalam dua brackets ataupun kita mesti jadikan ia dalam dua kurungan sahaja. Okay, so sekarang kita ada xy tolak xz. So apa yang kita faktorkan? Kita keluarkan x sebab apa yang sama sekarang ni ialah x. Okay, make sense. Kemudian, okay, what we can do from here? Masih dekat topik yang sama. Kita masih dekat topik yang sama. Kemudian, minus, masih sama dekat sini everyone. Okay, apa yang sama di sini? Kita ada y squared plus yz. So, we have the same thing which is minus y. Nampak dari sini minus y. In bracket y plus z. I'm sorry, kita tak boleh jadikan ia plus kerana jawapan kita mesti plus. Ingat tak? When I said the answer is plus, bermaksud negatif darab negatif. negative. So di sini dua bracket kita, dua dalam bentuk kurungan mestilah sama. If it's not the same, bermaksud jalan kira anda salah. So again, nampak tak dalam kurungan? Sama tak? This one and this one is the same. So bila mereka sama, ini bermaksud jalan kira yang anda telah lakukan, it's correct. It's actually correct. So since it's correct, bermaksud we continue sahaja, kita teruskan dengan just fetch this, kita teruskan to y minus z, kemudian x minus y. Dan that's all. Itu saja. Nampak tak cara dia? So we did this before dalam it's on hari kelas Selasa itu kan, betul tak? Sorry to minum air because I feel so thirsty hari ni. Hari ni dekat KL rasa panas. Yes, masih tak dapat? Yes, that's how we do it sebenarnya untuk dapatkan apa? Find the value dengan syarat everyone, boys and girl, you kena pastikan the first kurungan, the first dua kurungan mestilah sama. So kalau ia tidak sama, bermaksud jawapan anda adalah salah. That's it. But jawapan anda adalah salah. So that's it. Penting ialah mengetahui bahawa bila kita nak faktorkan, so we have 4 terms. Maksud dekat sini kita ada xy, xz, y squared and yz. Mereka adalah 4 ungkapan yang berbeza. So bila ada 4 ungkapan berbeza, macam mana kita nak jadikan ia dalam dua kurungan sahaja. That's it. We just want to have it in a dua kurungan sahaja. That's all. That is your job, to make sure that is in dua kurungan sahaja. Alright, everyone? Boleh? Okay, kita akan teruskan number 10, which is our last question. Dan kita akan masukkan the next subtopic. We're going to proceed with ourselves with the next subtopic. Alright, everyone, let's have a look on this part over here. Kita ada AB. Nampak dari sini kita ada AB minus B squared plus AC minus BC. Alright, so from here, boys and girls, so how we are going to solve it? Sorry, hari ni lidah teacher dah terbelit-belit. Okay, so how are we going to solve this? Apa yang sama for the first term over here? For the first term over here, apakah yang sama? So I akan keluarkan. The first one is B. Tetap B in bracket A minus B. Isn't it? B in bracket A minus B. Plus apa tengok dari sini? I akan keluarkan apa? Everyone. I need to remove apa yang sama? Apa yang sama? C. Betul tak? I need to remove C. Sebab dari sini dan sini ada C. So this dua group, apa yang sama ialah C. And the first two group ialah apa yang sama ialah B. So B in bracket A minus B plus C. So what is the same? A minus B. Done. See that? Nampak tak dari situ? How does it work with my method? Mariam nampak kan? So itu cara untuk kita selesaikan pemfaktoran which involve 4 different terms. So whatever it is your job, you have to make sure that it is in dua kurungan sahaja. So dari sini I have B in bracket A minus B plus C in bracket A minus B. So yang dalam bracket tu adakah mereka sama? Nak tanya, adakah yang dalam bracket tu adalah sama? Since it is the same, boys and girls, so apa yang bermaksud dari sini lah, kita cuba selesaikan ialah A tolak B masih sama sebab kedua-dua adalah sama. So apabila sama, kita hanya satukan. No need to put square, no need to put kuasa 2. Kita biarkan ia sahaja. Kemudian, what's left? Apa yang tinggal? Everyone, what's left here is B plus C. That's it. So kita biarkan sahaja the answer just like that. Itu cara untuk kita selesaikan all the value that we get from this one over here. Alright. Any question to ask, everyone? Ada soalan tak nak tanya? So far at this moment, do you have any question to ask? Yes. Sekejap.
Okay, boleh ulang balik soalan nombor 9 tak? Saya tak faham lah.
Sebab you tak join hari tu punya kelas. So if tak join sebab tu you akan miss out that thing. So I told you kalau apa-apa kan kita kena join kelas. So tak apa nanti we can go through back here. So again dari sini sekali lagi I'm going to repeat one more time. Untuk soalan C. Again everyone kita ada 4 terms yang berbeza tapi teacher akan pecahkan ia kepada dua terms yang sama. Okay, first thing, look at what is the same. Dalam first bracket, dalam kurungan yang pertama atau kotak yang pertama, apa yang sama di antara mereka ialah X. So, dalam first thing first, apa yang sama ialah X. Kita hanya letak X di luar sahaja. Letak dalam kurungan. So, what is left? Oh, left is Y and Z. So, Y and Z. Minus. Nampak? Minus Y. Okay, the second box. Apa yang sama? For the second box, boys and girls, apakah yang sama? So the second box, what is the same is actually Y. Sorry, so that's the second dari sini ialah Y in bracket Y minus Z. Yes. No matter what, you have to put two brackets. Yes. Nampak tak dari sini? The two brackets over here. So dari sini apa yang anda nampak ialah X in bracket Y minus Z. Okay, and then minus Y in bracket Y minus Z. So from here, this is what we get over here. Perasan tak dalam bracket adalah sama? Did you realize that the one that in bracket adalah sama? Nampak kan? Yes, since it's the same, okay, since ia adalah sama, so what we are going to put here is satukan ia sahaja. So the one that in bracket kita satukan. So bila kita satukan, dia akan dapat Y minus Z. Dalam satu lagi ialah X minus Y. Done. That's all. Done. That's all. Itu sahaja. Questions? Anything to ask? Alright, so macam mana pun pastikan you akan dapat dua kurungan sahaja. You must ensure you get only dua kurungan sahaja. So if you do not get the two kurungan, seriously, bermaksud you salah. Okay? Dapat everyone? Any question to ask? Yes. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to proceed with the next one. Sebab I nak pergi kat subtopic dah, because factorizing ni macam bagi I dah lama sangat. So I am going to continue with the next one. Okay, kalau you perasan dari sini, what is so special about this part over here? Ialah, let's continue with, this is done right? Okay, now okay, here. Yes, okay, I'm going to go with penambahan. Kenapa? Adila tanya apa? What's Adila? Adila say anything? Apa yang Mariam faham? Okay, Mashita not yet. Apa yang Mashita not yet tu? Kejap. Adila cakap apa? Kejap. Adila cakap apa? Did Adila put anything? Ha? Oh, Adila tanya berbuka. Berbuka apa hari ni, everyone? Makan apa hari ni? Let's share dengan teacher sikit. Share in the chat. Makan apa? Spaghetti. Oh, very, very Italian. Yeah. Yang lain? Nasi. Yalah, very culture. Hari ni I makan apa Japanese I call it, chicken katsu. Yeah, I ate chicken. Alah, tak ada lah. Oh ya, Pakistan, Maria. Oh, fan. Yeah. Tak adalah, tak marah. You can share anything, no worries. Okay, curry sedapnya. Curry ikan ke curry ayam ke curry daging? Cik, saya buat tanya, curry is very, just curry je kosong. Okay, it's okay. Tak adalah marah. Curry ikan, sedapnya. See, semua orang makan sudah sedap kan bulan puasa. Bukan sebulan puasa. I think you should enjoy lah. The moment you start sekolah nanti, it will menguji kesabaran. The spicy Korean nice. Orang makan sedap-sedap kan ya. Tapi itulah, sometimes bila nak makan, when bulan puasa ni, orang kata apa
Teacher, berbuka apa teacher?
Berbuka hari ni I makan tadi, chicken katsu. It's Japanese. Chicken katsu. I'm not sure you guys know chicken katsu. It's just, yeah, chicken katsu. I don't know how to say it. It's just ayam goreng je lah sebenarnya, nasi and just miso soup with apa tofu dah. Tu je. Very simple food. I pun makan ni. Itu pun tadi sharing with my husband. But I cannot finish it. Sebab belum puasa tak lalu sangat nak makan. I just want to drink water je. Sebab apa? Because haus je, that's it. Yeah, it's a Japanese style fried chicken, yeah. Yeah, just haus. Betul, correct. Okay. You can try chicken katsu. Nice. Okay, jom everyone. Are you guys ready? Kita nak masuk the new one over here. Okay, when we talk about penambahan dan penolakan, ingat tak masa darjah sekolah rendah dulu? What is the most important on penambahan dan penolakan for penambahan dan penolakan untuk soalan penambahan dan penolakan for factorize, untuk factorize, for fraction. What do you remember? Penambahan dan penolakan ungkapan for fraction. What you have to ensure? Your denominator. Betul tak? Your denominator, kita namakan dia di sini. What do you call it in bahasa Melayu? I lupa. I couldn't remember. What do you call it in bahasa Melayu? Kejap. Ada orang call. Hold on. Kejap. Urgent. Sorry. I don't know lah. Kejap, hold on. Kejap. Very emergency. All right, people. Sorry. It was urgent, a very emergency. I have to angkat call. Okay, jom. Let's go with this one over here. Kita teruskan the next one. Number one. Let's see the first one over here. Perasan tak? First syarat, denominator kena sama. What is denominator is? Penyebut kena sama. That is the first syarat. Betul tak? Ingat tak? The first syarat of fraction untuk kita selesaikan, syarat dia mesti denominator sama. Kalau denominator tidak sama, anda tidak boleh teruskan atau anda tidak boleh selesaikan. So dari sini cuba anda tengok. It's actually 2x per 4. Betul tak? Is that correct? 2x over 4. Done. Okay, so when you have this kind of method, you kena selesaikan. You need to selesaikan. 2 over 4, actually you boleh kecilkan ia menjadi 1 over 2. Nampak tak? 1 over 2x, or it becomes x over 2. Done. That's it. Clear? Dapat? Understood? That's all. Dengan syarat, ingat tak? I told you. What is the syarat? The syarat must be it's the same denominator, ataupun kita namakan dia sebagai penyebut. Penyebut tidak sama, tak boleh selesaikan. Okay, let's go with the second one. Penyebut sama tak? 9 and 9. Betul? So atas ni boleh selesaikan as usual, as long you can solve it. So 5x minus 2x, you get 3x. Betul tak? Maintain macam biasa. You jangan selesaikan apa-apa. You still need to go back to the same method on penambahan dan penolakan dalam pecahan. Balik masa sekolah rendah kita belajar dulu kan. So I just recap back. So sekarang we have 3x over 9 everyone. So now kita selesaikan lagi. Kita boleh kecilkan dia lagi. So 3x over 9 ibu maksud it's 1 over 3x ataupun x over 3. Then that's all. Clear? That's it. Dapat? Understood? Dapat tak? Yes, everyone. How's everyone doing? Hari ni dah makan kan? Jangan ngantuk, not food coma after makan. But yeah, we are actually this one. Yusuf okay? Semua okay kan? Kalau okay, can get my thumbs up lah sikit lah. Semua diam je, tak ingatkan ngantuk tadi. Okay, so can I move to number 3? Thank you so much. Can I move to number 3, everyone? Kita gerak kepada soalan yang seterusnya. Tengok nombor 3. So the denominator is the same, right? Okay, so dari sini, what you can get from here? Apa yang anda akan dapat dari sini? Here. So bawah dia sama, denominator. So we have 9x. So we have 7 minus 4. So 7 minus 4, ladies and gentlemen, it becomes 3. Nampak tak? Yes. So let's solve this, everyone. Cuba kita selesaikan. Sebab bila you dapat jawapan dalam bentuk ini, you boleh actually selesaikan ia dengan pecahan termudah. Or in other words, we call it as simplify. So 3 over 9, it's going to be 1 over 2x. Done. That's all. Clear? Dapat? Got it? Understood? Questions? Everyone? Ada soalan? Can I move on? Kita cuba selesaikan ya, sebab benda ni bagi I very simple sahaja. Okay, so kita akan go with another one yang where the denominator ataupun penyebut tidak sama. Okay, this one penyebut masih sama 10x and 10x. So is it going to be 4 over 10x? So can we permudahkan? Yes. So dari sini 4 over 10x. So bila I permudahkan or I simplify it from here is divided by 2. Divided by 2. So I akan dapat dari sini ialah 2 over 5x. Then that's all. Okay. 2 over 5. I tak boleh kecilkan lah. So I kena biarkan jawapan I just like that. Alright, everyone. Can I move on to the next questions? Boleh I?
Teacher tengah salin.
Okay, so that's how we do it. Apabila penyebut ia adalah sama, it's not a problem. So when I say penyebut, the denominator mestilah bahagian bawah. But bila atas dia sama, not a it's bila atas dia sama and penyebut tidak sama, then you have to make sure it is the same. Pastikan mereka adalah sama. Boleh? All right. I'm going to proceed with the next one, and number 5 and number 6. Kita akan teruskan dengan seterusnya. Number 5 and number 6. Okay, let's see over here. What we can get over here. We have 4x and 4x. Penyebut adalah sama. So 3a minus a. Macam biasa, when I say 3a, it's just 3a. Tolak 1. A itu ialah 1. Literally over here, a means 1. So 3a minus a, it's like 2a over 4x. Betul tak, Mashita? Okay. I cannot cut the a and x. Yes, tapi I boleh pemudahkan apa? I boleh pemudahkan hanya the numbers. Can you see that over here? I boleh hanya permudahkan hanya the numbers. So what I can simplify is actually 2 over 4. So we have here and here, 1 and 2. I will get 1a. Tapi kita tak tulis 1a, right? They always put just a over 2x. Then a over 2x. Done. Mashita dapat? Very good. How about the rest of you? So you have to permudahkan. That's why in exam, Yusuf, sometimes they just ask you to simplify it sahaja. So bila simplify, you can permudahkan the simplest number. Okay, you have to permudahkan into the simplest number. Okay, moving on to our next question. We have 7a minus 4a. Nampak tak dari sini? 7a minus 4a. So how are we going to solve from here? 7a minus 4a from here. You're supposed to get 3a over 9x. Betul tak? Betul tak, everyone? Kan? Well, a dengan x tak boleh, you cannot cut a dengan x. So you can just solve the number saja, iaitu 3 dengan 9. So you get 1, which is 1a. So we just put a, bila ada 1, just letak a over 3x. Done. That's all. See? As simple as that. All right. Can we move on to the next part? Boleh kita teruskan kepada bahagian... Okay. But you can see from here, what did you really understand and when they have the same denominator? So just actually selesaikan ia sahaja. Straight away, terus sahaja. Okay? Clear? As simple... Yeah, sure. As simple. All right? All right. Okay. Very good. Okay. Sebab-sebab energetik.
Ada memudahkan ke teacher yang 3A?
Yeah, it's permudahkan. Simplify. Maksudnya I permudahkan. I simplify it. Okay? All right. All right. I'm going to proceed with the next one. Kita akan teruskan the next part, iaitu subtopic, iaitu di mana the denominator or penyebut tidak sama. So apabila penyebut tidak sama, right? So you have to always get ready. Bila dia tidak sama, what can we do? It's okay, overexcited. Okay, so example from here. Tengok dari sini, look at number 7, everyone. I need everyone to see from here. The denominator is not the same. So what do you have to do? Ingat tak kita belajar dulu? Masa sekolah rendah. You'll have learned that in sekolah rendah. You kena pastikan ia sama kan? So kalau how to make sure dia sama, you have to do cross multiplication. So dari sini you kena darab dengan x, dekat sini kena darab dengan 3. Betul tak?
Yeah.
If below times with 3, above also times with 3. Isn't it? Masih ingat? Cara kita kira back to sekolah rendah. Tapi sekolah rendah banyak nombor kan? Betul tak? Sekolah menengah, I rasa tak banyak sangat nombor, right? Yeah, so masa sekolah menengah banyak nombor, sekolah rendah banyak nombor, sekolah menengah is very less number, but we have x and y. So dari sini, we can just straight away solve it. We have 2x. Nampak tak dari sini? We have 2x, everyone. 2x, betul? Plus 3. Yes, it's always x and y. Over. So bawah sekarang dah sama tak? What is the same from here? 2x plus 3. So dari sini apa yang sama ialah 3x. There you go. Dapat tak? Ha. So this one you darab 2x, betul? 1 times 3 is 3. Di bawah, the denominator where you have to solve it, you have to times. Okay. However, boys and girls, what we can do from here? Adakah kita boleh simplify kan ya? I was wondering. Boleh simplify or not? Boleh simplify it or not? Boleh kita pemudahkan lagi tak? Baru 2 hari raya, baru 2 hari puasa dah siap nak raya lah tu. Macam mana tu? Oh my gosh, that's very hard. Yeah. Bila we talk about here di sini, everyone, as you can see that dari sini, there's nothing we can do. Literally, there's nothing we can do. So this is your final answer. This is your final answer. Don't cry now, okay? That's it. You tak boleh selesaikan. 2x tambah 3 tak boleh. 2x is different terms. 3 is a different terms. You tak boleh combine. Don't put 2x plus 3 dapat 5x. No, that is wrong. And you can't even, jangan cut. Okay, I know some of you might say that, oh, we can cut here and here kan teacher. Cannot. Tak boleh. We cannot simplify that because why? This in one group and this is in one group and this is tambah. You can do the simplify apabila hanya, sebagai contoh saya bagi 5x per 10y. This is hubungan mereka adalah darab dan bahagi. So I can cut. Tetapi kalau ada 5 plus 2y over 3. Contoh sorry, I cannot put over 3. I put over 10. Over 10, for example. Boleh tak I nak permudahkan? I nak potonglah 5 dengan 10. Tak boleh. Because 5 itu kepunyaan 2y. They are together. So don't ever separate them. Unless you factorize it. You pemfakturkan the terms, it's fine. So itu you belajar pemfaktoran. So when you have plus or minus, cannot. But when you have a normal like this, tak ada langsung nampak darab or bahagi. Over ni maksudnya bahagi sebenarnya. Then you can actually simplify it. That's all. Clear? Boleh? So this is your final answer. So biarkan sahaja jawapan you just like this. Dapat? Everyone, this is our final answer and leave it just like this. Tinggalkan ear sahaja and that is the answer. Boleh? Nampak tak dari sini? Cara kita cuba selesaikan? Boleh? I'm going to move to the next one. Teacher nak gerak kepada next question, boleh? Can I move to the next question with you guys? Look at number, okay, I put another color. Look at number 8. Yes. All right, macam mana A dengan 2 tu? Boleh kita selesaikan tak? So what we can do is, darab apa? A times 2 lah. Kalau bawah darab 2, atas pun darab 2. And here is 2 times A. And atas pun akan 2 times A. There you go. Terikit. What is terikit? Terikut. Terikit. Terikut. Okay. Macam nampak So now dari sini, everyone, what you can come up from here? It's okay, never mind. Tongue twister. Okay. Kalau nak buat tongue twister lah, finger twister lah, betul tak? Okay, so sekarang ni, what we can do from here? Atas ni kita selesaikan, 3 darab 2 dapat berapa? 6. Betul tak? Tolak. 1 darab A is just A lah. Over 2A. Done. As simple as that. That's all. Senang. So can I cut the A atas dengan A bawah? Can I cut A atas dengan A bawah? Tak adalah kan? That's definitely is not right. It's wrong. So you tak boleh selesaikan. You cannot cut here, so you just biarkan ia sahaja. So the answer is 6 minus A tolak 2A. Dapat? Dapat? All right. Okay. Okay, I'm going to continue with the next one. Kita akan teruskan seterusnya. Next one, number 9. How to do number 9? I darab 3. So, dapat buat I times X darab X. Yang ni darab 3, darab 3. Done. Done. So, dari sini, how we solve it? Kita akan dapat AX. Ni sorry, darab 3. Plus 6 over 3x. Dapat? Clear? Dapat? Tapi kita boleh pemudahkan tak? Tak boleh tau. Sebab that is literally wrong. So you tak boleh langsung permudahkan. So biarkan ia sahaja. Leave the answer just like that. Okay? Done. Good job, everyone. Good job. Okay. Next, I'm going to continue with the next one. Number 9 is done. Okay, we go with number 10 pula. Okay? All right, here, kita move a little bit faster. A darab B. Oh, sorry. A darab... Kejap. Tak ada battery ke dah. A darab B. Sini pun darab A. Sebab kita kena jadikan dia AB. So, ni darab A. Yang ni darab B. So, we have XB minus A. Done. Dapat. That's all. A good job. All right. Good job. Okay, moving on to the next one. X plus y plus x. So, what you can get from here? So, I dapat idea macam x plus x over y plus y over x. Dia saja macam nak terbalikkan ia. But literally, it's quite cute over here. So, bila darab x dekat sini, ni pun darab x. Ni darab y, ni pun darab y. So, you can get x square plus y square. Betul tak, boys and girls? Over x. Done. So what else I can do from here? Dapat? That's all. Done. Can I gerak? Next questions. All right. Boleh everyone? Kejap kita gerak kepada soalan nombor 2. Nombor 12. How to do number 12? Kalau nombor 12 macam mana? Macam mana pun you kena darab silang No matter what, you need to do the cross multiplication di bahagian bawah. You need to cross it. So dari sini apa yang I nampak ialah you can just times it 2x darab 3x darab 2y kan dia akan dapat macam ni. 3x darab 2y. Alright. And ni pun kita dapat dengan 3x. Ni atas darab 3x. And this one also you have to times with 2y. Okay. So dari sini boleh nampak lah. So from here you boleh actually selesaikan or try to solve it from here. So how do we work on this? Kita cuba selesaikan dari sini ialah 2 times 2y. Everyone, 2 darab 2y akan dapat 4y. Tolak 3 darab x is 3x. Betul? Over dengan berapa? 3x darab 2y. You sebenarnya dapat 6xy. Done. You will get your answer 6x. Done. That's all. Done. Senang kan? Yeah. So, I nak permudahkan. Boleh tak I nak cut y dengan y kat sini? Boleh tak? Can I do that? No, cannot because they are together. They're ni ibarat macam kahwin bersama. So, I tak boleh nak pisahkan mereka. So, mereka masih dalam satu kumpulan yang sama. I cannot separate them. So, I need to leave everything just like that. Biarkan ia saja. So, for y, tolak 3y over 6xy. Biarkan ia sahaja. That is your answer. Leave it just like that. Boleh? Got it? Boleh everyone? All right. Okay, I'm going to proceed with the next one. Number 13. Boleh gerak lagi everyone? Boleh We have like about apa sekarang? It's 9:42. Time check 9:42. Okay, I'm going to proceed with number 13 pula. Okay. A and B. What do you think from here from A and B? And kita boleh cuba selesaikan. This one definitely just cross multiplication darab silang. A darab B, A darab B. So bawah darab atas mesti sama. Sini darab A, ini pun darab A. Okay. So 3 darab B ialah 3B tolak 2A over A. Betul tak? Everyone, can you see that? Is it correct like that? So you will get your answer ialah 3B tolak 2A. Dapat 3B tolak 2A over AB. I cannot simplify it. I can't do anything. I'm just going to leave the answer just like that. That's all. Clear, everyone? Dapat? Understood? Any questions to ask at the moment? So biar je, jangan you biarkan dia sebab you tak boleh simplify. Kalau you nak simplify, you kena factorize it. You kena factorize it. Kena buat pemfaktoran. Sebab disebabkan tiada konsep pemfaktoran di sini, so kita biarkan ia sahaja. So leave the answer just like that. Okay? Alright, everyone? Okay, let's go with 14 pula. Okay, cuba tengok 14 dari sini. Penyebut tidak sama. This is XY, YZ. So I darab dengan YZ, ni darab dengan XY. So ni darab XY, ni darab YZ. So this one I'm going to put like MYZ plus apa tu? And XY over berapa everyone? X, Y kuasa 2Z. Betul tak? Sebab Y dia ada 2. This is Y and this is X. Yep. There goes my answer. Yes, there goes my answer. Nampak tak dari sini? Okay, boys and girls, let's pay your attention. For this question, you boleh simplify it. But dengan syarat kita kena buat apa? Kita kena permudahkan. Dengan syarat kita kena permudahkan. Oh, pemudahkan pula. factorize it baru simplify. So you can factorize it and baru simplify. Okay, cuba tengok. I'm just going to solve the first one above. What we can factorize it. So dalam dua-dua equation ni apa yang sama? What you can see from here is that y is the same. Y mereka ialah sama. Dan disebabkan y mereka adalah sama, so I akan turunkan, or I akan keluarkan y, it becomes y over mz plus ny over x y squared. Nampak tak pemfaktoran? My factorizing from there. Nampak tak? I factorize y, so I keluarkan y. So when I keluarkan y, everyone, becomes y, m, y, z. So apa yang I nak tengok dari sini ialah apa yang literally yang sama, ataupun apa yang penting I nak highlight dekat sini ialah the y. I want to highlight the y. So I keluarkan y sekarang. Okay, now I wanted to ask you, can we simplify it now? Sekarang boleh pemudahkan tak? Now my question is, can we simplify it? Thank you so much, Mariam. Yes, sekarang ni boleh tak kita nak permudahkan ia? Actually kan, bila you dah factorize like this, sebenarnya you boleh permudahkan. So macam ni nak permudahkan, we just have to cut here the y. And how many y do we have here? Kita ada y square. So y square mesti kita ada 2y. So we cut 1y. So when you cut 1y dari sini, so our final answer akan menjadi berapa? Going to be mz plus ny over x, y, z. Done. That's all. Itu sahaja. That's it. Nampak tak? Yes, Mashita. Do you see that? Nampak? Senang je kan? Sebenarnya it's not really hard kan? Kalau faham lah, literally kalau you faham, benda tu senang je. Nothing much issues actually. Betul tak? Okay? Dapat? Clear? Okay, dapat dari sini? Alright, good. Okay, I'm going to proceed with the next one. Teacher akan teruskan kepada soalan yang seterusnya itu 15. Okay, look at 15 from here. Okay. Two x 3a bc. Okay, ready? 3a dengan bc kita boleh selesaikan di mana kita boleh buat darab silang. Ini darab bc atas darab bc. Ini I kena darab dengan 3a. Sini pun I darab dengan 3a. Nampak? Okay. So dari sini apa yang berlaku ialah from here, what we can solve is kita selesaikan as 3a b c. Nampak? 3a b c. This one become 2bc tambah 3ax. Okay. Yeah. I tak boleh nak factorize lah. And I cannot simplify it. I tak boleh simplify. I cannot tak boleh buat apa? Mashita, there's nothing I can do, Mashita. So I have to leave the answer just like this. Biarkan sahaja jawapan dia. Like that. Done. Bila kita tak boleh factorize kan, everyone, bila tak boleh factorize, bila kita tak boleh permudahkan, biarkan je. You jangan simply, oh nak cut here dengan sini lah. Oh X ni, oh A boleh potong ni, oh 3 boleh potong. No, because the first one on top here is actually they are pasangan. They're actually together. So biarkan dia. So you cannot separate it. When they're married together, you cannot divorce them. Because of plus. Okay, you boleh divorce them dengan kurungan je. Okay, got it? Clear everyone? Senang je kan? Alright, kejap. Kita terus kita buat next question boleh? Can we go with the next question, everyone? Okay, kita teruskan. Next one from here. Okay, ready? Okay, ni tolak. Tolak senang lah. Tolak, I think, not much problem lah. Sebab denominator semua sama. Iaitu penyebut adalah sama. Nampak tak dari sini? Okay, ready? So when it's the same, I rasa tak ada masalah lah. Oh, sorry, terpadah pula. Yep. Okay, so everyone, let's go with the first one over here on... kejap. Sekejap. Okay, look at the first one that we have it from here is I got 2x over 4. Betul tak? Sebab ni adalah tolak 3x tolak x. Betul tak? Just have to minus. So tolak seperti biasa, denominator sama, not a problem. 3x minus x dapat 2x. So I cut. I get x over 2. And that's all. Okay. 5x minus 2x, I got 3x over 9.
Teacher ni latihan ke apa?
Bawah, this is tolak.
Nak tengok je latihan.
Latihan berapa? Latihan 18. 18. Latihan 18. Okay. Oh, Adila, are you Perak? Adila, are you from Perak? So, apa yang koma, kan? Alright, so I pemudahkan here, it's become x over 3. Sebab literally it's just x lah, betul tak? Yeah, I thought. Oh. Okay. Dapat? Okay. Next, what do you get from here? Number 3. Number 3. You akan dapat negative 3x over 7. Betul tak? Ini memang you kena by 7. Kenapa? Sebab 2 tolak 5, right? So 2 tolak 5, ya. Dapat? Okay. Nampak? Next. X tolak 3x. I got negative apa? Tolak kan, betul tak? Negative 2x bagi 4. X ni bermaksud apa everyone? 1 tolak 3. Negative 2. So sekarang I permudahkan di mana 2/4 akan menjadi 1/2. So negative x per 2. Done. Done, that's all. That's all. Clear? Done. Next one. This one become 3 over 9x. I permudahkan. I got 1 over 3x. Okay? Next. 2 over 10x. 1 over 5x. Done. That's all. Next one. Moving on to the next one. 3x tolak 7x become negative 4x over 5. Betul tak? Sebab ada negatif kan? Yes. Done. Next, apa lagi kita boleh dapat dari sini? Negative 2x over 9. Done. Leave it the answer just like that. Yeah. Next.
Kejap teacher, kejap saya tengah salin.
Alright. Tolak je macam biasa. Minus it as usual saja. Okay, minus seperti biasa saja. Okay, dapat everyone? Okay, next, number 9. Okay, I'm going to finish it. I'm going to move fast. 9, sorry. Okay, I'm going to finish it and I need to move fast on number 9. Ready everyone? This is tolak macam biasa. So jangan risau sangat sebab the value akan tolak seperti biasa. Okay, so now from here, what we can get dari sini, I got 2a over 4x. I akan dapat a over 2x. So I cut here. Ni I bagi dengan 2. Ni juga I bahagi dengan 2. Done. So itu nilai yang. Kejap, okay. Apa, sorry. Itu pintu belakang rasanya macam bau from belakang tu Ada tersumpat ke? Tapi tak beli ni pula kan? Apa nama? Pipit. Yeah, we didn't buy that. Okay, number 10, everyone. Look at number 10, 7a minus 8. I got 6a over 9x. So I permudahkan 9 dengan 6 and 9. 6 jadi. 6 and 9, I akan dapat apa? 2 over 3. So atas sama a. Yes. I got a over x. Done. Nampak? Literally, I will get a over x. Biarkan ia sahaja. There's nothing I can do. I tak boleh permudahkan apa-apa lagi. We leave the answer just like that. Okay. Next, kita gerak for the next one over here. Number 11, everyone. 3a tolak 5a atas tolak seperti biasa. Since the denominator is the same. So negative 2a over 8. I got my answer is, I cut here, I cut is negative a over 4. Yes. Done. All right. A over 4. Sebab I bagi kira 1/4 lah. Yeah. Okay, let's go with the last one over here. Number 12. Let's go with number 12 over here. Negative 3a over 7. Betul tak? Yes. I tak boleh buat apa-apa lah. I kena biarkan jawapan just like that. There's nothing I can do. Kenapa I tak boleh buat apa-apa? Sebab yeah, literally it has no value. 6, 7, yeah. I have no idea what 6, 7 is. Everyone is so excited with the word 6, 7, 6, 7. Yes, everyone, don't forget to rate your understanding. So next on Tuesday, we are going to continue back again. Kita akan sambung lagi dan kita akan teruskan with our next question. Alright. Kita akan teruskan dengan latihan 19 pula. Okay, yang ni kena factorize. We need to recap back on the factorizing. Alright, everyone, thank you so much. Selamat bersahur. Have a good rest. See you guys next week. And selamat bersekolah.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye-bye. Good night. Thank you.
Salam Ramadan, teacher.
Yes, you too. Salam Ramadan. Bye-bye.